As we search for the cause and cure for disease that interrupts the normal functionality of our bodies, we may find that the body is built as a powerhouse. Illness and disease are a challenge awaiting mastery from its master, you. Allowing nature to do its job becomes more instinctual and less of a task with the more you know. Did you know that traditional Chinese medicine offers a concept that qi, or life force energy, is at its strongest and most optimum performance within a specific organ every 2 hours? Qi moves through acupuncture or meridian points in a 24-hour cycle throughout the body, according to Chinese medicine. This concept is known as the Chinese body or organ clock. Let's explore the Chinese medicine organ clock to combat disease and dysfunction in the body by using and nurturing specific organs at their peak, therefore, maximizing their performance. The time of 11 p.m. until 1 a.m. governs the gallbladder. The left section of your palm is the best acupressure zone for gallbladder issues. It is directly connected to the liver, which is at its peak between the hours of 1 a.m. until 3 a.m. The time of day, morning or night, matters for applying pressure to the correct meridian points associated with each organ at the right time. Nurturing the lungs with the use of acupressure and other natural methods can prove beneficial for soothing symptoms associated with the common cold, asthma and overall lung health. The lungs are at their peak between the hours of 3 and 5 a.m. Applying pressure to the upper portion of the palm eases issues such as asthma and bronchitis. During the day, between the hours of 3 and 5 p.m., you can apply pressure to the lowest midpoint of your palm to open the flow of energy. It serves as the best acupressure point for the urinary bladder. Between 5 and 7 a.m. the large intestine is at its peak. Pressing at the lower right section of your palm can ease both colon and intestine issues while improving several digestive disorders. Between 5 and 7 p.m. are the hours associated with the kidney. Pressing at the bottom part of your palm is effective for kidney, thyroid, parathyroid problems and increases blood flow to the kidney. Applying pressure close to your thumb area is best for stomach problems like irritable bowel syndrome, constipation and diarrhea. According to the Chinese organ clock, the stomach is at its peak between the hours of 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Acupressure may be used at other times of the day and for several other issues associated with several body parts. Using acupressure with the help of the Chinese organ clock, developed from traditional Chinese medicine, may prove to be a great combination for naturally healing ailments, disease and dysfunction while maintaining excellent organ health.